Hi, I'm Kate, and this is a quick comparison of the Pink Stuff multi-purpose spray and the Miracle cleaning paste. So I'm currently doing a big spring clean of the house, and I've been using both products a lot. The multi-purpose spray is great for just general daily grime, like daily cleaning countertops, cleaning the kitchen table, the bathroom, you know, just wiping things down. And it's really good with like grease and oil stains and marks. So yeah, really great to use in the kitchen. However, the Miracle cleaning paste is a lot more heavy duty. You can use this outside, and it's particularly good for lifting stains. So it can be used both indoors and outdoors, great on all different surfaces. You could clean like the floor tiles, you could clean like a big mark off the skirting board. It works on all different surfaces. So I'm going to demonstrate now both products in use. So this is the multi-purpose spray. I use it a lot in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. It's very good at lifting like oil and grease, and I particularly love that on steel it doesn't leave any streaks behind. It leaves a really nice clean finish. This is the Miracle paste, so it's a lot more heavy duty. I'm using it on some very old scuff marks on a door, and it just gives a lovely clean finish. It comes off very easily, and even though the pigment is pink, it doesn't leave any pink residue. It just leaves a nice clean finish. So those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this comparison helpful.